Hey everyone, the Black Shark GS3 Ultra arrives as a rugged evolution of the GS3, aimed directly at users who want a smartwatch that can take real punishment without losing its polish. Black Shark keeps the formula familiar, but strengthens everything around it, creating a wearable that feels purpose-built for harsh environments while still delivering the smart features and gaming-inspired attitude the brand is known for. At the center of the GS3 Ultra is the same 1.43-inch panel found on the standard GS3, offering a bright and sharp 466 by 466 resolution. It's a vibrant screen that holds up well outdoors, and it gains added protection thanks to Gorilla Glass with a 9H hardness rating. Black Shark pairs that display with a redesigned body that now leans fully into ruggedness. The metal frame is thicker, more angular, and complemented by 4 oversized physical buttons that resemble the layout of a handheld gaming accessory. It's bold and unapologetic, and with roughly 270 watch faces available, it can shift between aggressive and clean, depending on your style. Where the GS3 Ultra really asserts itself is in durability. The watch carries an IP69K rating, a certification typically reserved for industrial machines and tools, meant to survive direct blasts of high-temperature, high-pressure water jets. Combined with 5 ATM water resistance, the GS3 Ultra is built for scenarios that would terrify a typical smartwatch. Dirt, sand, mud, or unintentional dips in water aren't concerns. It feels like a device made for construction sites, mountain trails, obstacle races, and accident-prone owners. Despite its tough exterior, the GS3 Ultra doesn't dial back on fitness and health features. It offers over 160 sports modes, with auto detection for common activities like running, rowing, and walking. It measures heart rate, blood oxygen levels, stress, and full-cycle sleep, including naps, giving you a comprehensive view of recovery and daily health trends. The addition of dual-band GPS significantly boosts location accuracy, especially in dense urban areas where signals can be disrupted. Support for a wide satellite stack means the watch stays locked in whether you're in the city or deep in the wild. Even calls get some attention, with Bluetooth calling supported through ENC noise reduction to help isolate your voice from surrounding noise. It's a small touch, but one that makes the GS3 Ultra feel more complete as a daily companion rather than just a sport-centric device. Battery life is one of the most impressive aspects. Black Shark claims up to 45 days of standby time and as much as 18 days of regular use, depending on features enabled. This moves the GS3 Ultra into the territory of long-lasting sports watches while still offering smartwatch conveniences. For anyone tired of nightly or every other day charging, this endurance is a major selling point. Aesthetically, the GS3 Ultra sticks to Black Shark's signature gaming-flavored identity. It looks bold, aggressive, and a bit futuristic, offered in black or silver. It may not appeal to minimalists, but for fans of chunky outdoor gear or gaming hardware, it hits the mark perfectly. Pricing and release dates are still unknown, but based on its durability credentials, tracking features, and standout battery life, the GS3 Ultra positions itself as one of the most compelling rugged smartwatches to watch for. It's a device built for people who push their gear hard or simply want a smartwatch that won't flinch when life gets messy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.